Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, the weather pattern that we're tracking still continues to be stormy and cold with a couple of chances for snow along with near record cold temperatures. Let's first start off with the things that we're keeping an eye on right now, which includes some flurries and snow showers for this evening. A lot of the activity has been across southeastern Massachusetts, coating in some spots, but nothing more than that. It's certainly not widespread. But the active pattern continues with really two snow chances. The first one coming up for tomorrow is fairly minor, and there'll be a big storm offshore, but the bulk of it is going to be out over the water so that we just get grazed with, right now we're thinking a coating to a couple of inches of snow. So this is not a blockbuster. The weekend storm certainly has potential as far as being more significant. I know it's still several days down the road, but if everything comes together, this is going to be a problem come Saturday night into Sunday in terms of wind and snow, and a near record cold starting Friday and extending through the weekend. I'll show you those numbers in just a second. Satellite and radar composite showing a small area of what we call ocean effect snow showers coming in across southeastern Mass and parts of the Providence metro area today. Here's a piece of our next system headed our way for Thursday, mainly late Thursday afternoon and into Thursday night. What will happen is one area of low pressure, one storm system tomorrow morning in upstate New York will weaken and give way to a secondary one around this time tomorrow evening, tomorrow night. This really intensifies into a big storm, but by the time that happens, the thrust of it is moving away. So we just miss real heavy snow, but still getting grazed with at least some light amounts. I'll show you those amounts in just a second. In Providence, clouds, cold, some scattered flurries every now and then. Only 22. The feel-like temperature, wind chill now running at 10. Smithfield with clouds and a few flurries and a temperature at 20. So here's the wider view. There's actually a big storm offshore. That'll stay away. So we're sort of in between storm systems. Futurecast starts off this evening at 7 o'clock with cold and essentially dry conditions other than some scattered flurries. And notice tomorrow morning, 7 a.m., lots of clouds, no precipitation. Take you to 1 o'clock in the afternoon, cloudy, cold, still dry. It's around mid to late afternoon. You start to see the blue show up here. This is light to moderate snow. But because it's a quick hitter, meaning it's in and out of here fairly quickly, the snow amounts are anticipated to be on the small side. We're thinking anywhere from a coating to 2 inches and nothing more than that, with slightly higher amounts out towards the Cape. These numbers will be realized by a Thursday evening and Thursday night. Tomorrow morning, starting off dry and very cold, 15 at 7 a.m. And then during the afternoon, mid to late day, the snow arrives with temperatures in the upper 20s to lower 30s. 7-day Futurecast, extremely cold on Friday, near record cold. Saturday and Sunday, the record is 7 below for Saturday morning. We may come close to that. And it's around the Saturday night and certainly the Sunday time frame. The potential is there for something more significant. The exact track will determine whether or not this is a big deal. It has the potential to be in terms of significant snow and wind, so stay tuned. Temperatures over the weekend only in the teens and nighttime readings running below zero, not the wind chill, but the actual air temperature. So minor snow for tomorrow. It's more of an evening commute impact than a morning commute. And of course, it only takes a dusting to a few inches to cause some slippery travel, so be careful.
All right, Tony, thank you. More coverage